Good time of the day to everyone. This is automation part of my greenhouse project, which is built around esp32 CPU. It has two relays, two power sockets, which we use to connect the pump. In my case, the pump will be represented by this lamp. It also has some power stabilization unit and GSM module for internet connectivity. It has two moisture sensors, one humidity and temperature sensor, and also here you see the esp32 camera module, which I'll be using for computer vision in another video. Anything happen in this box can be observed from serial monitor, and as we can see right now the moisture level is 100% because the moisture sensor sitting in a water, so the totally wet soil, and that's why also both relays are off. And the same data can be observed from Arduino dashboard, which is developed purposely for this project. We can see moisture, humidity, temperature, and we have some ability to manipulate some data, like we can manually manipulate the pump. So if farmer is not happy with level of moisture or maybe any other data, farmer can manually turn on the pump. So it can be also done from the mobile phone application by simply pressing the button. The pump will be turned on for 30 seconds, and after 30 seconds it will return to automatic mode. So it will be sitting and listening to these moisture sensors. As we can see, the moisture sensor is still 100%, and we see the calculation of the time, 30 seconds, until the pump will be off from the manual mode. So in automatic mode, when moisture level on one of the sensors drop down below 40%, the lamp, the pump, will be automatically on. So to simulate drying process of the soil, I will use this tissue. So basically I can see from monitor that moisture level is dropping 75%, and once it drops below 40%, the lamp will be on. So here we are, the lamp is on, and it will be on for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds it's come back to automation mode and start to listen this sensor. So if sensor is still dry, the lamp will turn on back again. If sensor is wet, so the lamp will stay off until next time moisture sensor goes below 40%. So this is pretty much all about automation part. And maybe one thing needs to be mentioned, that this plastic bodies are built by myself and printed on a 3D printer. That's all for today, and in next video I will discuss how do we realize computer vision part of this project using this camera and also drone.